everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you rice krispies or sun-dried rice krispies, or even we call it as biyam pindi vadiyalu. So today is nice sunny day and it's 29 degrees. I could like to show you how to make these rice krispies. Now let's start the recipe. Ingredients for rice papad or flat rice chips. These are sun-dried. I'm going to take 2 cups rice flour, 1 and 2 cups, and I'm going to add cold water to this to make a smooth paste. So I'm going to add 2 cups water to this. I'm going to mix it well. Meanwhile, I'm going to boil 12 cups of water. So for 1 cup, take 7 cups of water. That is 2 cups I added into this rice flour, and I'm boiling 6 cups for each. That means 12 cups for hot water. I'm going to add 2 spoons salt. And I'm going to add some sesame seeds. I'm going to add a little more, 1.5 spoon, that is 3 spoons sesame seeds. And I'm going to add 2 spoons red chilli flakes. We like a little bit spicy, so I'm adding 2 spoons. I'm adding 1/2 spoon cumin seeds. I'm just going to mix it. And I'm going to add all this to hot water. So it's boiling. And I'm going to cook this till it gets translucent. I'm going to bring it to boil. This becomes translucent. Then I'm going to dry them in sunshine. I need to mix it faster so that no lumps are formed. It's getting cooked almost. I'm going to be ready for papads or rice vadiyalu. In Telugu they say vadiyalu. It looks very good. Today is very good sunshine and it's 29 degrees. It's going to be very hot. So here 28 degrees is very hot. This looks almost done, and I'm going to cook another 1 minute. So when it comes to bubbling like this, then it looks done. It's almost translucent, and this is good enough, and I'm going to turn off. I'm going to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes so that it cools down. Otherwise it's too boiling hot and I don't want to take risk carrying this outside. And we'll wait for a few minutes, then let's start. I don't like to use plastic paper, so I'm going to use parchment paper. So I'm just spreading the paper on the table. So I'm going to take 1 spoon our batter and just put it on the paper and just spread it like this and make nice round. So I'm going to do same way all of them. So in India they do it in summer. So for summertime, this is very busy work for ladies. Actually, I don't like buying because they do on plastic paper, which I don't like to use into my cooking. So I'm going to continue all this. So we can do any size. You don't have to stick to same size because it's not a commercial thing we are going to do for home. So this doesn't make any problem. It should not be very thick too, because if it is thick then it breaks. So the table was not enough on kitchen counter, outdoor kitchen counter. Almost done. It took me 1 hour from start to end. So here, final look. Then I had some leftover, so I didn't have enough space. So I put in the baking tray, because the baking tray doesn't stick. The flour doesn't stick to the baking tray, so I just greased a little bit and I put on the baking tray. But this will take long time to dry, so I usually don't take this risk because we will not have enough sunshine to dry this. But today is 29 degrees. I thought so some more here on that my kitchen counter. So I think more than 100. So it is half dried. So I'm changing to the other side so that it gets dried well. So when there is thickness, then there is a split here. So when it raises like this, that means it indicates that it is ready to turn it. After 1 day drying, this looks like this. It needs 1 more day drying. The more it gets dried, then it stays for longer time. And today I'm going to dry it again. It should be crispy when it dries. So sun dry always is good. It has vitamin D in it. I'm frying papad in the salt. So this doesn't look anymore like salt because it lost its white color because of reusing so many times. So once you feel that it's not fit for anymore, then you can throw away. But when we sieve it, then it looks perfect to reuse again. So I'm doing papad into salt, frying in the salt or roasting in the salt. You can do in microwave, but again I try to use minimal microwave. And you can deep fry, but again I'm trying to avoid oil. So all my cookings are best healthy cooking options. It looks good. Just I'm trying to bury this into the hot salt so that it gets nice roasted. It takes a while, and even you consume little bit extra gas, but still it is worth, I feel. So make sure that you take the salt out, otherwise it will be very salty. This is how it's looking. Little bit, it's not done. Looks perfect. I'm going to taste it. So if it is dried, then this comes very well, I just dried one day, so still they are drying, but I want to complete this video and I want to show how it looks. Perfect, guys. You should try this. This is the best method I found. I'm trying to research from so many years which is the best method to eat the deep fried stuff, but I found this one is the best one. So I'm going to try next time in little bit crystal salt, so that there won't be much work to be clean like this. If you like this video, share with your friends, and if you're first time watching my channel, do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. And for full description, look into the description box below. Until then, bye. See you with next video.